Which altcoin to trade? Hi guys, welcome to the Crypto Lab. My name is Sifu Wong. Today we are going to talk about a topic which is triggers a lot of people's mind here on which altcoin that we should trade. Now, according to CoinGecko, up to when 2024, December 2024, there are up to 16,500 types of cryptocurrency out there in the market. Now, the question comes about which coin or altcoins that we're supposed to trade. Now, in this video, I'm going to break it down into a few sections. What are the considerations, the areas that I consider when I trade altcoins? So stay tuned. I'm going to share with you some very simple tips but powerful tools for you to identify when you want to trade altcoins. Tips number one, the fundamentals. Now, I know that a lot of you guys would like to know about the fundamentals of the coins, who are the founders, who are the backer, what are the tokenomics like, and stuff like that. Whether they have any future projects or in mind, or whether does it help the values that he created, or whether it's just a meme coin. All right. So now, for me, to be very honest with you, I don't trade spot that much, but I focus on futures trading a lot more of the time. So what do I do when it comes to futures trading? Because for me, it is only for me, okay? For me to trade with news is just a good to know thing. But for me to trade futures, I don't practically base on fundamental analysis that much because I am just following the trend. So for those of you who are trading spot trading, that you would like to invest in some coins, you will need to know the backers, okay, the tokenomics, whether is there any possible dump that might be occurred to the user, and also what is going to be trend and stuff like that. Okay, that is only for spot trading. But for us that we are trading futures trading a lot, we don't really trade based on fundamental analysis that much when it comes to futures trading. And the most updated news is on the chart. So with that said, you really need to learn how to read chart, which brings on to point number two. Point number two, what do I use for me to trade altcoin is the technical analysis skill. Okay, so we talk about technical analysis. What are the things that you need to look at? First of all, you need to look at the trend of that particular coin, whether it's an uptrend or the downtrend, and whether the volume is enough for the push on that particular time frame that you are currently trading at. Identify the support and resistance zone, and also look at the volume as well, whether is it enough for you to push the price up or to pull the price down. And also at the very same time, you can also use all those indicators that is available on TradingView or on your chart to identify what are the other informations that you might actually extract on before you place a trade on your altcoin trades. Number three is the market sentiment. Now, I'm just going to break it down very simple to you because there will be a lot of hypes out there on Twitters, on Telegrams, and stuff like that, right? So once like any news that suddenly pop up, it might actually involve or affect the movement of all these altcoins right there in the market. So to simplify it, how you can actually trade based on all these sentiments like that, for me, I always base on the Bitcoin movement, because eventually when Bitcoin moves, the rest of the altcoins will or should follows in that directions as well. If Bitcoin pump, it should follow. When Bitcoin down, it should follow. So I'm going to just take Bitcoin as a reference for me to identify the general trend of the altcoin or the whole market sentiment or movement over here. Last but not least, risk management. Your risk management, it has to be very tight when you're trading altcoins, because the movement of altcoins might be even more volatile as it compared to Bitcoin movement, because it's a very low cap thing. And when you have a low cap coin that has been traded by especially those big players out there, it is going to cause a lot of volatilities on that particular coin that you are trading. So that said, you need to always have a very tight risk management when you trade altcoin, such as stop loss is a must. Okay, so don't forget your stop loss. Always remember to set your stop loss. Now, bear in mind that stop loss, it doesn't mean that we need to lose that amount of money when we set our stop loss. Stop loss is just a mean that to prevent us to lose anything that we cannot afford to lose. All right, it doesn't mean that you need to lose that amount of money. It just means that we are giving a breather for the price action to move to reach to our targeted profit area right there. Okay, so you need to have a very good risk management here. Don't overtrade. Control your position size and your margin, and also remember to use a stop loss on there. All right, those are the tips that I'm going to share with you guys here before I trade altcoins. These are the things that I need to do first. And of course, I do hope that all this thing, it might be valuable for you to apply onto your trade as well. So if you find that this video is helping you or create values for you, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel and head on to the description area, sign up for your new BitUnix account and send it to my Telegram, where I'm going to add you to our close community for you to enjoy all the support that you can get and also to gain massively together with us. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.